These are the elevators at the Mellon Bank Building in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. Take a look at these. These are old 1960s Westinghouses. They have the mushroom black hall stations from like the 50s. But they have type E black ones on the inside. These are neat. Go to 6. There's some interesting noises, but overall these are in good shape and they run pretty well. And fixtures and stuff are cosmetically in good shape. Here at 6. Some of the arrows on the CRP do not work. Here's the merchant. Here's Mr. Rogers. I think he's from Latrobe. Go back down to 1. There's a certificate. No phone, wiring and some towels. It's a basic wallpaper cabinet. It's a dated cabinet, but it's pretty interesting. Some interesting stuff here. This is an older building. These are definitely probably hand-operated older elevators before being replaced with the current elevators in the 60s. Here back at 1. I think it's as far as 1 and 2. Another one out. I think these are the only two elevators here, but there might be another one, I'm not sure. That's not going to